All right. So, hey guys, this is Julie Willits. You're a nanopreneur. I'm so happy you could be with us tonight. And I have a very special guest with me. His name is Michael Witles, and he has been using quantum energy technology wellness for the last 2 years. So I know a lot of you people think that this is something brand new, but it is not. This has been around, and I want Michael to be able to share his story with you. But I also want to let you know I have two open family and friends to do a trial with the quantum wellness energy, and we can get you started for $10 for the next 10 days. So, Michael, why don't you go ahead and let us hear your story?
Thank you, Julie. I appreciate you asking me to come on with you this evening. Well, this goes back, it's probably about 2 years, maybe a little over 2 years. And my buddy Jeff called me up and he said he had this new technology that I thought was going to be really out there, but he thought it was going to be the next greatest thing as far as health concerns. And I'm always open. I've always investigated the latest, greatest things. And I thought, okay, I'll give it a try. So the timing was really important because back in August of 2017, I was in the hospital with near fatal pancreatitis. And I was in there for a month. I came out, went back in for 2 more weeks. So I was knocking on death's door. So the timing of this really was important. I mean, it was crazy. Even during my recovery, I got shingles, and that was bad. So the timing of having something like this come along was really important. So I went through my recovery, and obviously I was on a lot of pain medication and everything then, but slowly got better. And then when he says, okay, we've got this technology, I went, okay, I'm open to it. So it turns out that I was trying it, but this is long before they had the Spark scan. It was just all on the phone, and you just put your information on the phone and brought up the info boost that way. So it was pre-Spark scan days. So it was really trying to figure out if this was going to work or not. So like I said, about 3 or 4 months after I was finally on the road to recovery, my daughter was down in Florida. And this was going to be my longest trip, having to go out there. And I probably slept like 2 or 3 hours, and I was going to drive to Florida. And I said, okay, I'm going to find out if this stuff really works. So I activated Energy, and I activated Immune, and I activated one other one, and drove down there. I believe it was like 16 or 17 hours on 3 hours sleep, and I was fine. So then I activated sleep when I was there, and I went right to sleep. And then I slept like 2 or 3 hours and activated the Energy back up and drove back home the next day.
Wow.
So the first test to go, okay, this works. This is really good, because I couldn't believe that I wasn't tired driving.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I was really impressed with that. So I thought, okay, well, I'll keep trying it. So I tried Immune, and then the big one was, like I said, I had the issue from the pancreatitis, and I thought, well, okay, I'm going to activate pain and make sure that that's worked. And I can honestly say that I have not taken one single pain pill for the last 18 months. No ibuprofen, no Tylenol, nothing for 18 months. If ever I feel the least bit of pain, I'll activate that, or whatever I feel. If I feel congestion coming in, I'll activate the allergies. I mean, whatever I feel, I'll activate that, and it's been wonderful.
So do you actually like run a continuous custom info boost like every 10 days?
I really go by what's going on in my life. I mean, I'm doing work for a holistic medical office, and I do the seminars for them. I present for neuropathy and for regenerative medicine. So whenever I do that, I activate focus, and I bowl once a week. So I make sure the focus is activated for that, and my bowling has been great. So I make sure that whenever I'm doing presentations and doing something like the bowling, I make sure my focus is activated. I try to keep my immune going all the time. And depending on what's going on, I mean, like, I know that Ron does a lot of these custom info boosts, and I'll download some of them and try. I mean, like he was talking about the coronavirus, and I would download some of those just to try to get a little boost. but it's been really interesting trying to run some of them and then looking to see how much better my health is, because there's not as many that are below the 80% line, which is, I mean, it's great.
Yeah, exactly. I was actually doing a little research because I've been running the allergy pretty nonstop, but there's some days like I want to run something else like the immune because I felt like I was getting ill, so I wanted to
Right.
go ahead and run that. And I do have the custom one going that is supposed to be like a longer lasting, giving you everything you need. And you're right, the ingredients every time you go in there are different. So, and then I started researching my own ingredients because I really would like something to help a little bit more. The allergy does help with my eczema, but I would
Right.
really love to have something else. So I started researching last night, and I'm probably going to set up my own custom boost when I'm like really feeling a little bit better with the immune thing that I have going on. I mean, there's so many ways that we can use this to enhance our health. And we're not trying to say that anything cures anything. We're not trying to diagnose anybody here. This is
Correct.
simply for your own personal health use. And this gives the information to you directly in your quantum field.
Exactly. And one of the additional things that I tried is that, again, I was constantly getting blood tests, and my primary care physician told me that my A1C was a little high, and so I needed to be careful on my diet. So I went, you know what? I'm going to activate blood sugar support, and I'm going to activate circulation. I'm going to see that. The next time I went in, he said my numbers were back in the normal range.
See, that's just like amazing that you
Exactly. I
can
mean,
do
I'm just
that.
so thrilled with how well this works.
Right. I really want, to be able to share it with a lot of other people because I know they don't quite understand it, and they don't understand how you can get these nutraceuticals into your own body customly designed for you by speaking a 10-second voice message into your phone or laptop. And
And
it's
don't forget the
giving
kinetic response too.
and, oh, yes. And the kinetic response, and you're touching 5 different times there.
Right.
Then thereafter, I mean, everything is designed personally and customized for you. And I'm just like, now I'm starting, I'm getting really curious and really checking the ingredients and saying, okay, well, what is this for? What is this for? And a lot of it makes so much sense when you actually look at what that is supporting you health-wise.
Well, when I first started doing it, I thought, I'm going to really help people out. I'm going to make a spreadsheet. And I went through every single ingredient they had. And like I said, this was about 8 months ago. I went through every ingredient and I put them in columns, whether it's going to help blood pressure, whether it's going to help circulation, whether it's going to help for women, whether it's going to help for men. And I went through all of that, and I had that up to date. And next thing you know, they're popping out 10, 20, 30 new things a week. And like, I just lost track.
Yeah, I'm really excited for when Ron says that we're going to be adding at least another 400 in there eventually. And that's just going to open up a bigger world for more health enhancements for other people, depending
Right.
on what they actually need.
Well, my 14-year-old just started it 2 weeks ago, and my wife just started it this past week. And we just did his second Spark scan, and he's there going through all the ingredients. And he went, this was above 80% last week. This was above 80%. He goes, look, it's getting better already. So, I mean, he's already noticing all that too.
That's really cool. I actually started my 19-month-old granddaughter on it. She was diagnosed with asthma a couple months back, had to be hospitalized overnight. Kind of a
Right.
scare because, the
Yes,
little tiny baby, you don't know. But
exactly.
so I have her on the allergy, the lung support, and something else. I can't remember what the other one is, but I'm probably going to have to redo her Spark scan because at the time it wasn't very effective, even though we did get a recording. But
Right. Sounds like
hi.
she's ready to make it right now.
Yeah. Come here and say hi, Emma. This
Hi,
is
Emma.
Emma. Say
Hi,
hi.
Emma. How are you, Emma? Hi.
Anyway, we're trying it out on her to see if we get some relief with her allergies. And I think I did do a custom one on her just to see everything that she needs. And I'm going to be really curious to look at the next one and see the ingredients and how things are going there.
Absolutely. That'll be great to see.
Yeah. Well, I really appreciate you, Michael. Is there anything else you would like to add to let people know about what your thoughts are on this quantum energy wellness?
Actually, I would. I mean, people sit there and go, why does this work? How does this work? I started doing all this research. I got all these books on quantum energy and quantum physics and everything. And I tried to figure it out. And I'm looking and going, you know what? It really works. And, I talk about how I was bowling. I'm sitting there going, I know quantum energy works here. Because I sit there and I watch one guy bowl and he leave the 10 pin. And I say, that person's going to leave the 10 pin too. And sure enough, if they didn't. So there are things out there that just happen in the world that can we explain everything that happens in the world? No. But the advice that I would give everybody is that Julie's got those two. Run, take those two, try it out for 2 weeks, 10 days, a month, whatever. Try it out and you'll see how much of a difference it'll make in your life.
I mean, we all get electricity. Do we really understand how it all works?
Nope, we don't understand how this technology that we're doing right now works.
No, I mean, we understand it to a certain degree, but do we? Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's definitely different. It's definitely something you've never come across before. But I'm telling you, I've been running the allergy, I've been running the energy, and at night I, of course, turn it to sleep. And then I have my custom one that's actually giving me all kinds of different things that I need on a continual basis. And then, the energy is just off the chain. So if it is.
I want to throw something funny out there that I talk about in my seminars. Albert Einstein was one of the big promoters of this, right? I was born the exact day Albert Einstein died.
Oh, wow.
So I'm carrying on this quantum energy.
The torch. There you go.
Exactly.
That's really cool. Well, that's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to get people to understand, get people to try it. We want you to be healthy. We want you to be able to experience it. And unless you do experience it, you're not going to get it. That's all I can say. Until you actually try it, you won't know any different. Yep. So that's my thoughts on the whole thing right there. And I'm really glad to see that your family is taking advantage of the trial, which is really cool.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right, Michael. Well, thanks for joining me tonight.
You're very welcome. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
Oh, yeah. Happy Valentine's Day. And you can always be your own Valentine.
Absolutely.
All right, Michael. Have a great night, and thanks for joining me.
You're welcome, Julie. Talk to you soon.
All right. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.